Did you know that flamingos are some of the most fabulous birds on the planet? Flamingos aren't born pink. They get their color from eating tiny shrimp and algae rich in carotenoids. They often sleep standing on one leg. Scientists believe this helps them stay warm and keep their balance. Flamingos are strong flyers. They can fly up to 600 kilometers in one night when migrating. Baby flamingos are born gray and fluffy. It takes time and food for them to turn pink. And yes, they really do dance. Flamingos love to stretch, flap, and wiggle to impress each other.